And Sarah are gonna draw a coffin.
A scary coffin. Boo!
Ah!
We hope you're gonna follow along with us. You got something to draw with. We're gonna use black markers. You also need paper and something to
Color with.
You ready to start?
Yeah.
You gotta make the noise. Let's first start by drawing the lid to our coffin. So we're gonna draw a straight line up here at the top, and we don't wanna draw it too long. We want it kind of short. We're gonna draw it right about there. And it's a little off to the left so that we have room for the whole coffin. Yes, now we're gonna draw a little longer. There you go. Now we're gonna draw 2 diagonal lines, one on each side. So we're gonna come down like this on each side. Yep. Good. Then you could draw those a little bit longer so that our coffin is going to be a little taller. Yeah. Now we're gonna draw 2 more diagonal lines that are even a lot longer. Watch this. We're gonna come down even further like this. Yeah. Oh, I like the shape of your coffin. Then down here at the bottom, we want them to be the same length, and then we're gonna connect them down here at the bottom. Now this is the main shape of our coffin. It's a scary one. One that maybe Dracula is buried in or sleeps in.
Wait, who is Dracula?
He's a vampire. You forget? Dracula. Anyways, okay. Now we're gonna draw another border that goes around the outside of our coffin. So we can trace along the outside line. Watch this, we're gonna go all the way around, and we wanna be right next to it. Be really close to the same shape. Yeah, do it right close to it. That's okay, we're practicing, right?
Yeah.
We'll go right next to it, all the way around. Now we're going to draw the side of our lid. We're going to draw a short line straight out to the side on, look at this, 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Straight to the side. Then we're going to connect these. We're going to go down like this and then down further.
So it makes it look
3D. 3D, yeah, exactly. Next, we're going to draw the base of our coffin. So we're going to draw another line that comes out. And I drew it a little shorter or lower and then out to the side. Then we're going to draw a line that matches this line. Yeah. Then we're going to draw another line that matches down here, this line, and we want to draw it a little shorter. Good. And then we can connect it in. So right here, we're going to connect it to the bottom. You drew the line up diagonal like that. Let's draw it straight across in.
Okay.
Now that's okay because we're going to color this in black so you won't even be able to see that diagonal line. Okay, now let's draw another line around the outside of this one. So we're going to, watch this, we're going to go all the way around the outside and follow the same shape. Now if we go too fast and our friends need no more time to finish a step, what can they do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, you guys can always pause the video if you need more time. Good job. Now let's draw the side of the base. So we're going to do the same thing, but watch this. I'm going to draw it longer. You see that? We're going to draw 3 lines that come out. And we want each line to be the same length. We're going to draw this one down here the same length too. Good. Now let's connect those lines together also. There is a 3D coffin. That's super tricky. How old are you?
7.
7, and you did a great job. You could be super proud of your coffin. It's really scary. Now we need to add all of the details to our coffin. Let's first add a skull to the lid. We're going to draw 2 eyes like this. We're going to draw 2 circles right next to each other, and you can color them in. Then we're going to draw a big circle, but goes around the outside but doesn't connect at the bottom. Then we're going to draw the teeth. Watch this. We're going to draw U-shapes that connect the bottom. That's a simple way to draw a skull.
looks like a mini.
Kind of looks like a ghost.
It kind of looks like a squid.
A squid. All right, now let's draw a spider coming down from our skull. So I'm going to draw a line coming down like this. And then at the bottom we could draw the body of our spider and then color that in. Then let's draw the legs. And how many legs does a spider have?
8.
8. So we're going to draw 4 legs on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4 on the other side. Perfect. Now let's draw cobwebs. So right here, I'm going to draw a curve that comes down and then connect it into the coffin. I like what you're doing. You're doing a spider web on the other side. Do you want to also connect this one in right there? And then connect this one in too. And I'm going to do the same thing that you did. Add a spider web on the other side. Now it doesn't quite look like a spider web. Let's add 2 more curved lines inside. There, and let's do it over here too on this side. Yeah, 2 lines coming down. Then we need to draw the webs going across the other direction. And you could just draw them all over the place. You don't have to draw them neat. They could be messy. So it looks more scary. Okay, we did it. Now we should add some other things. What should we add?
Ghosts.
Should we add some ghosts? Okay, right here, I'm going to draw 3 circles colored in. Right next to each other. Wow, I like how high you're drawing yours. Then we're going to draw a big, watch this, we're going to draw a big upside down shape. So it looks like our ghost is coming out of the coffin. Go all the way around your face. And then come back and connect it back. Oh my gosh, I love that ghost.
So skinny.
So skinny. Okay, let's do another one. Let's draw another one over here. I'm going to draw them a little lower this time. So 3 colored in circles. And then I'm going to go around like this and connect it back in. I'm going to add one more ghost over here. And you guys at home can pause the video right now to match this. Or you can use your creativity to add as many ghosts as you want, or even other things like a pumpkin or bats. I like our ghosts. Okay, let's do one more thing. Let's add some scary eyes inside of the coffin. So I'm going to draw 2 lines, 2 diagonal lines like this. Right next to each other, both coming down so they look angry. This is the top of our eyes. Then we're going to draw a shape underneath to finish the eye. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to add a couple more scary eyes underneath. There, and maybe one way down here at the bottom. And maybe one more up here at the top. And you guys can add as many scary eyes as you want, or you can leave this part off if you want to. Okay, I like your eyes, Austin.
That one's so squished.
No, I know, that one's squished. That one might disappear because we're going to color this part in black. And that's okay. We could use our white colored pencils to make it show up. Let's do one more thing to our coffin. It's made out of wood, so I'm going to add some dashed lines for the texture on our coffin. And then they're all going the same direction to make it look like it's old. Then I'm also going to add some lines going, look at this, they're going the direction of the diagonal lines. And you can do all the way down and just put them wherever you want. You don't have to make it look exactly like ours. All right, we did it. We finished our coffins. It looks so awesome, except it's gonna look even better once we do what?
Color.
Yeah, this part we're gonna fast forward, but at the end, you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
All right, we did it. We finished coloring our coffins. They look so much better colored in. I love your drawing so much. You could be super proud. What was your favorite part?
The squid.
The squid? The little skull that kind of looks like a squid?
Yeah.
I like that part too. I also like the spooky eyes inside of our coffin. And we also use shading on our ghosts to make them look more 3D.
We hope you have enjoyed your coffin.
Yes, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope that you used your creativity to add more spooky things around the outside. What could they draw that's also spooky?
Pumpkins and bats.
Pumpkins and bats. I love it. We'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.